Hi, this message is for... This is Ranger calling you from the Phantom Ranger Station. I just got forwarded the permit that you guys picked up by the backcountry office, and I just wanted to, if you get this message before you guys head out on your itinerary, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about it. I think you guys have an extremely aggressive itinerary today, and like I said, I'm down at Phantom right now, and I can tell you it is unbelievably hot down here. We're supposed to get 109 today, and yeah, I just think you guys have an extremely aggressive itinerary, and maybe we could divert you to another location, and you guys could still have an awesome trip today. Maybe you could do, Garden Creek and then camp at Indian Garden instead of trying to push out into Phantom Creek in this heat. Anyway, give me a call back if you get a chance. An extremely aggressive itinerary today, and I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.
Yeah, we don't listen very well, unfortunately. This is our July 2019 trip down Garden Creek, across up Utah Flats, and then back down Phantom Creek, and then out Bright Angel Trail. So, unfortunately, the only video I got of Garden Creek was that, which is one of the crown jewels of the Grand Canyon. So we'll have to go back and do another video another time. But for now, enjoy this trip, like and subscribe, and I will try to make more videos like this. So thanks. Well, we're going to try and make a video of this trip. We're headed down to, we just did Garden Creek. I should have videoed that because that's an amazing place. But we're also going to head to Phantom Creek. We're going to actually go up the trail that goes to Utah Flats. I forgot what it's called. But then we'll go up the trail to Utah Flats, across Utah Flats to the headwaters of Phantom, and camp up there tonight. Supposedly there's no water, so that'll be fun. But yeah, we'll have some fun. And then we'll come down the drainage of Phantom Creek in the morning and then hike out in the blistering heat of July. Not a wise choice. I do say so myself. Wait, excited about what, Austin? Videos. Yeah, I'm excited. Well, I just want to catch JJ do another sprained ankle. Just joking. Yeah, fine. Literally too big to take a video of, but I'm gonna try anyway. It's the right time of day. Phantom Ranch, man. Fun times in the Phantom. You wanna seal that up better? I'm ready to go with my feet looking like that, baby. No, I'm just making a video so that we can document Art being the wimpiest guy that you guys know. But anyway, but now this is our trail. We get to climb up there. Not looking forward to that. Well, there's clearly a trail up that stuff. Clearly. o'clock, JJ, almost. It's 7 o'clock almost. Sumner's Butte in light. It's pretty fun. So, and then Phantom Ranch right down below us. Grand Canyon. Amazing. Osgiliath. Well, Gondor's the country, the nation of Gondor. Yep, that is awesome. And equally awesome is that little notch right there. That it seems so close. I don't know how that happened there. Last vestiges of sunlight. We are cranking our way up to the top of the Tapeats, right there into that gap, which, not gonna lie, I have a grand piano. These are at least 10 times bigger. Most of these are more like the size of a small house. Piano alley, my eye. It does have a nice ring to it, but seems a little less than accurate. So I'm trying to record just a second of the trail in the dark that we're following. It goes way out there, right? Anyway.
An extremely aggressive itinerary.
that is Sumner Butte. And last night was such a beautiful thing to see in the sunset. And yeah, we've climbed up quite a ways. Anyway, just don't slip. Benton Creek. Waterfall here. We got us and the waterfall. Down, down, down. And there's a anchor right there. Right here. But that looks sketchy. So anyway, figured out. But we are excited. The waterfall is definitely a concern, but there was a bolt right down there, garbage, but there's rope over there, so we're gonna go anchoring over there where Austin's sitting, and then head farther downstream. Check this waterfall out. The impediment, well worth it.
now back into corridor. Come around the corner, enter Garden Creek, hike up some switchbacks, hopefully not die.
Wasn't it supposed to get like 108 by now? 110. My spot's right back there in the shade. Find the spot.
Extremely aggressive itinerary.
I'll make it to the top, that's for sure.